Hey, big news for the San Francisco Bay Area. Many investors, in fact, most investors for jumbo and non-QM home loans, these are bank statement loans, loans for self-employed borrowers, etc., are now decreasing Bay Area values by 5% due to a declining market. Now, what does that mean? It means that buyers that were putting 20% down to get that same pricing are going to have to put 25% down. And it used to be 25% down would offer, the best pricing, and they're on down below that. Now, to get that price, borrowers are going to need to put 30% down on most jumbo and non-QM products. This does not apply to conventional, FHA, or VA. Now, why is this happening? Well, jumbo investors, a lot of these are banks investing their own funds. And there's also, first of all, struggles in the banking industry right now, but also they do see that there could be a decline by 5% in values over the next couple of years, which is not completely unrealistic. Number two, I think, we're anticipating lower mortgage rates in the near future. And I think a lot of investors know they're not going to be holding this money very long, and they want to pad their investment a little bit in case of, refinance opportunities to pay these loans off in the near future. Now, are we really in a declining market? The definition of a declining market is a market condition in which sellers exceed buyers, thereby causing prices to fall. We still, as I write offers, have a serious inventory problem in the Bay Area. There's multiple offers. Yes, prices have come down a little bit with the rates going up, but we are definitely not in a declining market where there's more sellers than buyers. Lastly, and very importantly, always get a second opinion from a local mortgage broker if you haven't already, especially if you're doing some kind of outside the box funding like a jumbo loan or a non-QM loan, because I still have investors that don't have this overlay. We still have a lot of great products out there, and we're here to help you. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.